I think my grandfather was religious in the traditional sense. I always thought my father and mother were, but one day I heard him talking to one of my uncles, and he said that he really didn't believe in the miracles of the Bible. And that was about the time I was turning atheist. And so that I had never really thought about it, I think, the miracles in the Bible, or whether or not I believed in them or not. But that started me thinking. I might have been about 10 years old then, or 11 or 12. But socially, they certainly were Jewish. And they went to synagogue more for social reasons, I think, than religious reasons. But it was just part of who they were. And they never heard a serious discussion about religion, or exactly who believed what, or what part of the religion they believed in.
How did you figure out that you were atheist, or come to that?
Well, the Bible stories was so so miraculous that they really defied common sense. It just kind of occurred to me that religion was something people made up because they were scared of the dark, or because they needed something to believe in to sustain life. It was no. I don't remember ever having discussions about this with anyone, or talking to anyone about it.